Hi guys, it's Mrs. Mungia again. Hope everyone is still doing well and staying at home and safe where you can stay healthy. This week in spelling, we are working on adding the suffix to base words. So for example, if your spelling word is act and I add ION, it will become action. And action means that you're doing something. Let's say running or jumping or hiking. Those are action words. So it means that you're working or you're doing something. A next word you have would be fiction. And fiction means that it's a book or a novel that is not true. So the author made up the story. And you would take the word fiction and add tion. Now, with this word and some of your other words, you have to actually drop some letters to add the other ones. So if I have fiction, okay, this one you don't actually have to drop any letters to form the word. But sometimes you might have to add some letters or sometimes you might have to drop some letters. So if I have the word mission, okay, with mission, there's two S's. So with this one, you don't have to drop anything. And what a mission is sometimes when you go on a journey, that would be like a mission. Okay, you have something in mind that you want to get done. Your next word is divide. If I want to divide a word in half, let's say butterfly, I would divide it in half as in butter, and you would have fly, which would be a compound word. So that is what divide means. And then you have division. Division is a type of math where you divide one number into another one. So let's say if I do 24 divided by 6, then that would be 4. With the word division, you have divide, okay, and then you have to add your suffix sion. Okay, so with divide and division, it's a little bit different. So this time you actually have to drop two letters, the D and the E, and then you would just add the sion. So it would become division. A next word is attend. If you were to attend something, like let's say I want to attend school, that means that you would actually go to school. And then you have your word attention. Attention means, let's say that the teacher is trying to get your attention in class. So with attention, this time we actually have to add and drop something. So if you have the word attend, which is, I left off the D, okay, because you have to actually drop the D, and then you have to add the tion to make attention. Okay. Your next word is pollute. Pollute means kind of like litter. Okay, pollute means to make dirty. Let's say if I was to pollute the earth, that means that you would be littering, that you would make it dirty. Okay, with pollute, you actually have to drop the E, and then you would add ION to make pollution. Pollution would be anything like you can pollute the water, you can pollute the air, okay? It's anything that makes it dirty or unsafe for us. Express. If I want to express myself, that means I want to tell you how I'm feeling, okay? So if I say, today I'm feeling happy because I got to go outside and play. So that's expressing myself, okay? And with the word expression, okay, you would have express, and then you would add the ION. So if I have Let me see if I can find it. Sorry. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I have the word express, but I dropped the S. Okay, but I need to actually add the S for expression. So I would add another S to it, okay, for expression. The next word is educate. Educate is, let's say the teacher wants to educate her students. So she's teaching her students something. Okay, and then we have the word education. Okay. Let's say your parents want you to get a really good education. Okay, they want you to school to get an education. On this word, you would actually have educate, and you would drop the E, and then you would add ION. Education, or TION. Sorry, this one you could do either one. Okay, like this. So it would be education. The next one you have music. And music can be like, I am going to music class. I'm going to learn how to sing, or I'm going to learn how to play an instrument. Okay, or you can say, I'm listening to music on the radio. A musician is someone who plays music. So you have the word music, okay, and you're going to add the suffix CIAN to the end of it. And I have it somewhere, sorry. Okay, so then you have musician. Okay, so this one, you would actually drop a C in music to add CIAN. And then your next word is magic. Do you believe in magic? I do. Magic can mean different things. You can do magic tricks. So you can do cards or coins, different things like that. Okay, and then you have a magician. A magician actually does magic. Okay, so if I say I went to the circus and I saw a magician, he was doing magic tricks. So you would take the word magic, and then you could add the CIAN, which I just had it somewhere. Sorry. I have stuff kind of all over my desk. Okay, so here's magician. Okay, so you would drop the C in magic and add the CIAN. Okay, kind of like with music. And then your last word is physician. A physician is like a doctor. So when you're sick, you go see a physician. It's just another word for doctor. And so you would do the same thing. So here, it's supposed to be physician. So you would add the CIAN to physi to make it physician. Okay, so those are your spelling words. What I want you guys to do is in your spelling book, okay, on page 112, I want you to first, you're going to copy your spelling words, which are here, and print on this side. And then on this side, you're going to write it in cursive. And then on this page, 113, it asks you for the word meaning. That means you're going to use your spelling word and you're going to answer the clues that it gives you. So like, for instance, the first one, a person who takes care of our physical health. Well, that would be a physician. So on the line next to it, you would just write the word physician. So you're going to do that for problems 1 through 10. And then you have to find a spelling word that has the antonym for a word. So for example, if I give you the word clean, the opposite, which is an antonym, would be pollute, because pollute means to make dirty. Okay, so for 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to write the opposite of the word or the antonym. So that is what I want you to do for Monday. Okay, I want you to have this done by Tuesday. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.